Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Wolmers girls from Kingston up against Munro College from St. Elizabeth. This is School's Challenge Quiz. Wolmers girls is represented by Tana Thomas, Jessica Jones, Dacia Little, and team captain Tamoy Campbell, while Munro College is represented by team captain Kirkland Webb, Ronaldino Henry, Danielle Reed, and Delano Mullings. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second match in Friday's doubleheader of TVJ's School's Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Mrs. Theresa Easy for the arts. Now it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge. The section teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Munro College won and they decided to go first. And so we begin with Munro College. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. And Munro, your first question is from literature. Which female author wrote the 2010 novel Into the Interior?
Jane King.
Incorrect. Michelle Cliff. Wolmers, literature. Which female author wrote the 2015 novel Luckiest Girl Alive?
Nicola Young.
Incorrect. Jessica Knoll. Munro, international affairs. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Miguel Diaz-Canel.
Correct. Wolmers, international affairs. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Dean Barrow.
Incorrect. Charles Saverin. Jamaican heritage for Munro. What food is often referred to as Trenton in Jamaican culture?
Pork.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Wolmers. What food is known as breche in Jamaica?
Breadfruit. Breadfruit.
Correct. Music for Munro. Listen to the clip and give the title of the song.
No ear.
Correct. Music. Wolmers. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
Like the boss, talk like the boss, manicure nails, just set the pedicure off.
Neo.
Correct. Chemistry for Munro. Who was the first recipient of the Nobel Prize for Chemistry for his work on osmotic pressure and chemical equilibrium?
Jacobus H1
Correct. Chemistry for Wolmers. What is the name for the minimum pressure which needs to be applied to a solution to prevent the inward flow of its pure solvent across a semi-permeable membrane?
Osmotic pressure.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Tom Hanks.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Wolmers. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jack Nicholson.
Correct. Munro, mathematics. A bag contains 2 white and 5 green marbles. A marble is chosen at random, then another without replacing the first. What is the probability that both marbles drawn are white?
2/7. 2/6.
2/6.
No, 1/21 or 2/42. Wolmers, mathematics. A bag contains 3 green, 4 red, and 4 black marbles. A marble is chosen at random, then another without replacing the first. What is the probability that both marbles are black?
3/22.
Incorrect. 6/55. Sports for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Archie Moore.
Incorrect. Bunny Grant. Sports, Wolmers, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Mike McCollum.
Correct. History for Munro. From which country did the Dominican Republic gain independence in 1844?
Haiti.
Correct. History Wolmers. From which country did the Dominican Republic gain independence in 1924?
Spain.
No, the United States of America. And that's it. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Munro College on 6 points and Wolmer's Girls on 5 points. It's time now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Chemistry. The question is, how many persons were jointly awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry for 2018? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.